Greetings ladies and gents, Lucy from Heathen Sen here and welcome to my channel. Today I've got a little bit of a different video. I thought I'd do, I went to Chemist Warehouse. I thought, I'll just go around and find something that, I don't know, like something that's new or something that's like cheap that I've maybe had before or whatever. So, well, basically I've got two fragrances on the weekend in this lovely little Chemist Warehouse bag over here. So basically the first one I've got is actually Armaf Club de Nuit Sillage. So I know this is, I think it was Creed Silver Mountain Water clone. So let's unbox this and give this a lovely smell because I don't, now you know what, I haven't actually properly smelled Silver Mountain Water. I think like maybe once or twice I smelt it on a strip or something like that and it was not too bad, don't get me wrong. But I mean, look, the way I see it is just like, considering how much the prices are going up with Creed fragrances, I'd rather get a little thing cheaper for something that might not last that long anyway. I mean, come on, you're spending like $400 plus for 100ml. No, thank you. I got this actually for, wait, what was it? $35 for 105 mils. Cannot complain whatsoever. And you know what you see as usual with Armaf fragrances, they got this lovely little sort of flip card over here, similar type of thing to what they do with Creed. Lovely. For something that's so cheap, why not? I mean, this was originally, I think it was on sale, no, originally for about $100 or so, so that was an awesome bargain right there. And I love this bottle. It's so simple. It's just like the Club de Nuit Intense, man. But you got that mirror finish, which I mean, unfortunately is going to be quite the fingerprint magnet. But whatever, that's all good. It's not about the bottle, it's about the juice inside, isn't it? That's a little bit dirty, wasn't it? Let's give this a spray and we'll go from there. Oh wait, this one's actually stuck to it. I think they all are, but the thing is, I remember actually getting the Club de Nuit Intense, man. It was loose, and then before you know it, the whole medallion just came off. Lovely. Anyway, let's go. Sprayed the first time? Whatever. Who cares? Hey, coming into spring and summer, this might actually be a great fragrance. Okay, a little bit like on the, how should I say, the aroma chemicals sort of, you know what I mean, it synthetic and everything like that. But what are you supposed to expect from something that's costing $35 for 100ml? I'll tell you something, it actually smells a lot better in the opening than the Club de Nuit Intense, man, because that thing was so freaking acidic. I don't know, it was just too much to take. So this one is actually quite a bit nicer. Ooh, it's almost like piney, fresh, a little bit citrusy at the top. This is nice. I can definitely like see this being used around the summertime and around spring. So this is going to get a good amount of use for sure. Probably might not last like ridiculously long, but for the price, once again, you're not going to expect a ridiculous amount of longevity. Still, it's quite good. Very kind of classic smell. I like it. It's classic summer smell. I don't know, for some reason it actually just reminds me of like, I don't know, 80s and 90s, but not in a sort of like dated way. More of a nostalgic, but sort of, I don't know, nice memory in a way. I don't even know what it reminds me of, but it does remind me of something, like a happy memory for some reason. I don't know, it's something in the back of my head, but it's there. That's nice. That is really nice. And the second one we got, I think my man Brian from My Two Cents is gonna love this one, because this is actually the second fragrance I ever bought myself, and him and I have got this real love for this fragrance house. And this one is Issey Miyake L'Eau d'Issey Pour Homme Sport. I can't believe I actually found this one. I've been searching for this everywhere, especially in Australia, for at least less than, I don't know, $120 a bottle, especially for like what, 75ml pretty much costs that much if you're going to get it from anywhere in Australia. This actually cost me, Chemist Warehouse, $40 freaking dollars. Seriously, how can you complain about that? Yeah, it is a little bit old. It doesn't matter. All I remember is it smelled freaking amazing. Unfortunately, I don't even remember exactly how it smells, but damn, it will bring back memories once I do smell it and once I actually get this freaking box open. Now this is one thing that I remember that I absolutely love about this bottle. Look, it's a standard sort of bottle, but it's got this nice sort of dark mirror finish to it, and I love that cap. Look, all the caps are basically like that, but the thing is, it's got this nice rubberized feel to it, and it's got like the indents and everything like that, because it's sort of like a, I don't know, like this nice sort of like slightly rugged feel to it, I guess. Pretty awesome, and I love the the light blue at the bottom. It sort of reminds me a lot of like, just say like the it's a good example of like the new Toyota RAV4s and like the blue that they come in. It's got that sort of nice color to it. I love that. It's great. Love this as well, just actually around the collar. It's like, nicely textured and everything like that. Kind of got this sporty feel to it, I guess you could say. I think I really thought about before, but there we go. Let's give it a nice spray. Yes! Yes! That is awesome. Citrusy. Kind of reminds me a little bit of, let us say, Pour Intense. A little bit, not as smoky. This is nice and citrusy. I remember this is so good. Definitely another great spring and summer fragrance to wear. A little bit softer too, it's nothing that's really, in your face. I like that. Easy wearing for sure. Okay, so fast forward a couple days later, and I thought I was kind of itching to go back to Chemist Warehouse, and funny enough, had to do some grocery shopping, and I thought, oh, okay, no worries. Well, Chemist Warehouse is actually pretty close, so went there first, got a couple other things as well, and to add to that mini haul, got Dolce & Gabbana the Eau de Toilette. So, I mean, I've never actually owned this one before, and I thought, okay, like all the guys that I watch, like Tyler from Simply Fragrances and a number of other guys. I can't even think exactly who, but I know that Tyler absolutely loved this one. He keeps on talking about this one, so I thought, let's give it a try. I went to Chemist Warehouse. I smelled this on a scent strip, and I was actually quite nicely surprised. And I thought, you know what? 30ml only cost $30. Why not? Let's buy this one. I mean, apparently this is a bit more of like a colder weather fragrance, and I know it's getting into warmer months or whatever, so I thought like just buy a small one. As I said, $30 for 30ml, and damn, this thing is so damn cute. How small is that? And I love this cap. It's actually nice. It's got this like sort of like dark bronze sort of look to it. Beautiful. Okay, well, let's give it like a spray on the skin and see how this one goes. So what is it? Tobacco, whatever else on there. It's gonna be nice. See how it goes. Oh, I get it. I get it. Yep. I see why everyone talks about this one. This is absolutely awesome. At least the opening is like nice, fresh. You get that like sort of tobacco in there a little bit. Like you get like this sweetness to it. It's just actually quite nice. I can definitely see how this can be a compliment getter for sure. But as I said, like the Eau de Toilette apparently doesn't last that long anyway. It doesn't matter. Whatever. It's still one way or another. If it smells great, it smells great. Definitely. Nice. And I thought while I'm there, grocery shopping and everything like that, we end up going to Woolies. Anyone overseas don't know what Woolies it's our supermarket, like otherwise called Woolworths. And I thought, okay, I need some deodorants because it is getting warmer, it's getting stickier, I'm gonna be sweating like crazy. Why the hell not? I thought Mark from Aussie Fragrance talked about these deodorants, and I thought I had to check them out. Why not? They were actually on sale at the time. I think it was like $4.50 or something like that each probably a little bit cheap. I don't even remember exactly, but it's the tradie deodorant. So I got the, let me see, the 24/7 and the workout. So the 24/7 is like the Oceanic and Spice, and then you've got the sport. I'm saying the bloody workout one, which says it's got citrus and sandalwood. It's pretty interesting. Pretty interesting. Let's give these ones a spray. And... oh yeah. Ooh. Oh yeah, yeah. Yep. Okay. I like that. It's quite nice. Oceanic and Spice. Very sort of fresh, fresh, fresh. Beautiful. Beautiful. Jesus, sound like Con the Fruiter from bloody what? Fast Forward and Full Frontal. Look, all you Aussie guys and girls who are like, you know, over the age of 30, believe me, if you don't remember that, where the hell were you when you were young? Best comedy sketch shows ever. Beautiful. Oh, that's really nice too. So guys, this has been my mini haul for this weekend, and honestly, what a buy. 2 nice, cheap fragrances that don't smell cheap. They're just awesome and great for spring and summer, and that is coming up. Well, I mean, we're already in spring here in Australia, but summer is coming up, so I definitely will be having a spring and summer sort of roundup video of fragrances, and just sort of, you know, let you know what's there and what is great for around this time. Thank you for watching. Please hit that like button, and if you like what you see and what you hear, if you smelt these fragrances before, please comment down below. And please hit that subscribe button, it'll help me a lot. And please hit that notification bell for more fragrant and men's grooming videos coming straight to your feed. And remember, if you smell good, you feel good. Blessed be to you all, and I'll see you on the next video. Right. Thank you. Seriously, I sometimes you gotta loosen yourself up before you do it. It's like, otherwise you're like,